everyone! Brace yourselves. You're about to see chaos at its finest. Today's episode will make you question everything. Truth time. Met coworkers like this? Let's jump in.
Oh, are you kidding? Ow. Ow, that hurts so bad. Oh my god.
Almost nailed the Vogue cover. He certainly thinks highly of himself, doesn't he? He protected that ball with his life and his dryness.
So of course, I gotta get the practice swing, boys. Last time I did the practice swing on ice, boys, not good.
I'm fine.
All the way out.
Really can't help myself. I feel like I just need to do this.
She has more faith in that rope than I have in my own future.
Идиотка? Да. А я легче чёрта.
Yeah. There you go. And same with the other hand.
Steady.
Hold her
Steady.
other
You got
hand.
this.
Now grab her ankles.
Back. Steady.
I'm sinking in the mud.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Grab her ankles.
Okay. Steady. Steady. Steady.
The ship sank in the harbor.
For it.
Не так много и воды.
И вообще нормально.
Is she washing the dishes or fighting them?
Oh my gosh.
Yay!
さあスタートいたしました。さあ手前の堤さんはい。
Someone definitely installed the wrong operating system on this car.
What was it?
Need the big guns. Man, everything's hot.
Whoa! Whoa!
Note to self, add an elevator to the budget for this exact spot.
Junior!
He gave it his all, but his all was a net negative.
Achtung, Baumfeld! Scheiße.
He did the math, but boy, is he bad at math.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
The wall? I'm tired, boss.
Look at this. Going far. I know it.
Сразу он, блядь, на меня упадет, и я чё? Bruh.
Cat, wait a minute. This kind of slaps.
Oh!
See? Just a sprinkle of vocabulary and we're besties.
Go. Come on. What is that? It was my pliers.
Do I know you?
No way.
Yeah, I guess it's time to saddle up. Oh no, my beard. Ah, no!
One frame, twice the chaos.
Parking lot. Got crazy skis.
Eu vou dar tudo. Tudo. Sabe o que é tudo? Tudo de mim. Não vai sobrar nada. Nada.
Награда, да, мы с ними общались в эфире. Блять!
So is this a personal vendetta or what?
NFL style coverages, and they bring pressures. So you can see.
Hold it right there. Okay, hold on. Shit, Dad's run.
Auf keinen Fall braucht Chaos.
Error 404, salary not found.
Ya mostrar cómo anda. Torcido el tambor, pero no pasa nada. Ya no te lo voy a volver a cambiar, pero bueno. También mal.
Короче, ты такие дашь, тут лид и, блядь, паспорт.
Passport currently defrosting. Travel plans are on ice.
Знаешь как? Жестко. А что еще?
No. That's it. No, keep going. Okay, good. Yes. Oh.
I think I made my egg wrong.
How on earth?
Body parts in the tile. I believe that's an eyeball in the shower. There's also some lips in the shower. Is that a boob? I think that's a boob. Okay, but here's the greatest question. What the fuck is that?
Tell me you're a genius without telling me you're a genius.
What in the fucking hell is happening in here?
Я, блядь, постоянно этому удивляюсь. Вы когда-нибудь видели? Пятерочка большая, а рядом стоит пятерочка 24. И если вот так вот посмотреть, то там вдали пятерочка.
The universe said, time for a shower, bro. Meet the big boss of the block.
Hold on. Like, do that. You gotta push this button? Yeah. Slow down.
I said, we got a fridge in the garage. Careful how far you pull in your short car. She goes, okay, I won't hit the fridge.
The perfect distance for a heart attack.
Can't go fast.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's nice.
Slip and fall. Oh, pimp down, pimp in disgrace. Oh my God, pimp down.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.
Catch my drift.
Yes, sir. Oh!
Is it possible to learn this power?
Jenio, obloczki! Jenio, obloczki dzielej!
Oh, great. The uninvited guest is here to sweep everyone off their feet, literally. The new skiing meta just dropped.
Oh, fuck.
Agora vira aqui, vira aqui.
Parking lot. Got crazy steez.
Everything was perfect, Ed, and...
Germania.
Fantastic. So no beer for me then.
Fuck off.
Bro, my sister just made brownies. I just cut myself a piece.
Nice.
Yeah, go.
Alright, go.
Behold the pinnacle of automotive innovation. A perfect safety margin if you like living on the edge.
A Mikasa vai em cima do índio. Fez uma estratégia diferente. Peitada. Tubarão voador. Pega esse arpão.
They're on the internet calling you bald.
What is it called?
I swear, I'm not lying.
Hey, let's just act blind so the cat can feel like a tactical genius.
Нет. Здравствуйте. У вас есть пирожки с мясом? Нет, у нас только есть с картошкой. Будете? Я не хочу с картошкой. Мне нужен беляш. Беляш.
Is he master chef or master thief? You decide.
Мы можем вам предложить самсу. Какую самсу? Я хочу...
Gaat het allemaal goed?
Ja.
Xander.
Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah. That's nice.
No, chodź tu! Pojebany jesteś! Co tu odjebałeś, kurwa? Bez za to bólu, ani chuja. Ty dzwonisz do kierownika, ja mam wyjebane.
Dude, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret, dude. Everybody's always like, wow, how do you do it? Wow, so
Interior design. My goals are beyond your understanding.
I don't know, dude. I don't know.
Me after a losing streak. How about you?
Бля, кабек она крызбесин, сука, я хуею нах.
The night is for sleeping, not for whatever this was. friendship like this is a rare collectible. Keep it.